My name is Phil Lear, and I would like to welcome you to the exciting world of computing with the Amiga. The Amiga range of computers represents the future in computing, with the ability to handle different tasks simultaneously and present these tasks using superior graphics capabilities. You will find that whatever your level of experience or your interests, there are Amiga programs that meet your computing needs from recreation to education to business. You will also find that these programs are substantially less expensive than similar programs for other microcomputers. This set of talking tapes is just one example of Commodore's ongoing commitment to support and training for the Amiga user. The tapes are designed to get you started and help you to become familiar with the Amiga's powerful operating system referred to as AmigaDos. Each of the 4 lessons can be completed in less than 1 hour. Allow yourself enough time at any one sitting to complete one lesson in full. During the course of these tapes, so if you do not have any handy, stop the tape and get them now. The manual contains what are called AIM pages that you will find a tremendous help in getting to know the procedures required for operating your Amiga effectively. Insert the disk into the disk drive, metallic part first, and label up. You will hear a click when the disk has been inserted fully. At this point, all you have to do is wait as the computer reads or extracts the information from the disk. Notice the disk drive indicator has been illuminated. Get yourself 2 blank disks and label one with your name and the other label as BACK2, B-A-C-K, and the number 2. And press down and keep pressing down the right button. Can you see the option Rename? Move the mouse with your finger still pressing on the right button until the word Rename is highlighted. Move the pointer back to the Preferences tool and double-click the left button. Below the Save option is an option called Use. If we select this option, the changes we've made to various settings will only apply whilst the machine is on. When you watch the screen and turn the tape back on when the requester disappears and your icon that was labelled DF0 bad is labelled empty. Position the pointer on the empty icon and click the left button. Press down the right button on the mouse and keep pressing it down. Move the pointer to the menu option workbench in the menu bar with your finger still pressing down on the right menu button. Highlight Rename from the menu options and release the button. Press Return twice. With your finger pressing down on the right mouse button, move the pointer to Style and then down to Italic. Hello, my name is